Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My garden is winding down. I've got a few fresh tomatoes left and I've saved them to show you all how to make salsa in our new twist and chop. This is an electric food processor. It's amazing. It's got little suction cups so it sticks on your countertop, and we're gonna make this with all fresh ingredients. So are you a fan of fresh salsa? And are you gonna want it to be spicy or mild? Today I'm making it mild. I'm gonna start with some white onion, just drop it in, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some fresh cilantro right over the top. You don't even have to chop up your cilantro, of course, because this is super powerful. It'll do it all for you. And then I'm gonna add the equivalent of a clove of garlic. Mine are tiny, so I'm just gonna throw two little ones in there and add a little press. This is all fresh ingredients. So if you're trying to eat more vegetables, salsa is a great way to boost your vegetable intake because that's all this is. There's nothing else in it. I'm gonna pulse this first, and then we'll go ahead and add those fresh tomatoes over the top. So over here, there's a pulse button. Whoop, I hit it by accident. It's very sensitive. And then this side will let it go longer. So I'm just gonna pulse just to get it started. Look how fast that is. So you can see when you twist this off, it comes all apart, but we'll do that at the end. And then I'm gonna pour these right over the top. I've got 2 cups of tomatoes. So I've got a variety because we're cleaning out the garden. So there's a combination there. There's one little early girl, there's a couple of San Marzanos, and the rest are the little cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna add a half of a lime. Fresh lime juice in your salsa is amazing. So when I show the recipe in the comments here in just a little bit, it'll say lemon juice because it's the recipe from my website. Lime juice I think tastes better. Maybe you would all agree. But if you don't have it and you have lemon, go ahead and use it. It's okay. And then we'll add some salt. It says a half a teaspoon. I'm gonna go a little less than that so it's not quite as much. You can always add more to taste when you're done. That's it. Let's give it a pulse. And it's done. Can you believe that? All right, twist it off just like this. Those blades are super sharp, so you're gonna wanna lift those out before you serve. And you know the other thing that I like about this is that this side has a pour spout. So it's super handy when you're ready to serve. Let's turn this here so I don't drop it. You can see, it's really nice. It's ready. And I'm curious, what will you be putting your salsa on top of? Are you gonna eat it with chips? Are you gonna use it with taco night? Are you gonna add it over an omelet? What would be your favorite way? Able to make fresh salsas like this, spicy or mild, however you like. If you'd like an extra twist for making it on the spicy side, sometimes I like to add a smoked jalapeno instead of a fresh one. It gives it just a little elevated flavor of chipotle. I hope you'll give it a try. Enjoy some fresh salsa. Take care.